If you've ever wanted to use your own custom fonts in CapCut, this video is going to make the whole process super easy. Whether you're editing Reels, YouTube Shorts, or long-form videos, adding a font you actually like can instantly make your content feel more branded, more professional, and much more unique. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to download a font, install it on your computer, and then use it inside CapCut Desktop. And if this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you need to download the font you want to use. You can head over to a free font website like DaFont or Google Fonts and browse through the different styles until you find one that fits your project. Maybe you want something clean and modern, something bold and attention-grabbing, or something handwritten and stylish. Once you find the font you like, click the download button. After that, open your computer's downloaded and find the file you just downloaded. Most of the time, it will come in a .zip folder, so you'll need to unzip it first. On Windows, just right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. On a Mac, you can usually double-click the file to open it. Once it's extracted, open the folder and look for the actual font file. You're looking for a file that ends in DTF or DOTF. That is the file your computer needs in order to install the font properly. Now, to install the font on Windows, double-click the font file and a preview window will appear. At the top of that window, click Install. If you're on a Mac, double-click the font file and then click Install Font in the font book window that appears. Once the font is installed, take a quick note of the exact font name, because you'll need that in CapCut in just a moment. Now here's the key step. If CapCut is already open, close it completely and reopen it. This refreshes the app so it can detect the new font you just installed. A lot of people skip this part and wonder why the font doesn't show up. So make sure you do it. After CapCut reloads, open your project and click on Text in the top left menu. Then, choose Add Text to create a new text layer on your timeline. Once the text is added, click on the text box in the timeline so it's selected. This is important because the font controls won't apply unless the text layer is active. Now look over to the top right Properties panel and make sure you're on the Basic tab. From there, click the Font drop-down menu. You can scroll through the list, or if CapCut has a search bar, just type in the exact name of the font you installed. You may also see a System Font section, and that's where many installed fonts will appear. Once you find it, click the font name and it will instantly apply to your text. And that's it. Your custom font is now inside CapCut and ready to use in your edits. From here, you can change the size, adjust spacing, add effects, and customize it however you want to match your video style. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and let me know in the comments what other editing tutorials you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.